Welcome to the Great American Roof Race, where roofing titans clash for glory. The red team of Jason and Ihar, using Owen's Corning ProArmor synthetic underlayment, takes on the black felt paper team of Mike and Sergey. And they're off. The ProArmor team got the materials up there in just a few trips, and they're off and rolling. Felt is taking a lot longer. Up and down, up and down.
Yeah, on a hot day like this, the fatigue is starting to show.
Looks like Mike is having a little trouble walking on that felt.
But Jason, he seems mountain goat sure on his ProArmor underlayment.
And there's a tear. Someone's not happy.
Watch that potty mouth, Mike.
While the black team is racing to catch up, the red team is already shingling. And this race wasn't a race at all.
It was no sweat off their backs.
Woo. The felt paper tore. We were slipping all over the place. It's just a battle from the beginning. Next time, definitely gonna go with the ProArmor.